Hey everyone, I just made a video about my plants in my Click and Grow, and I didn't realize, I said I didn't have any tomatoes yet, but then, I don't know if you can see this, see, I was watering, I don't know if you can see it, see the tomato? And there's actually a few more. See, there's one right there. So I do have tomatoes. And then let's see, this one, I thought I saw it right back there. See it? Tomato. And you can see the pollen. So yeah, I do have tomatoes. I am so excited. I'm not sure. I don't think this variety gets much bigger than what it is. And if I had to guess, I would say that these are probably maybe about 7 or 8 inches tall, those tomato plants. So yeah, they don't get very big at all. But yeah, see? Another one. You can see all that pollen. I also have a little bit of a funny story. My husband came into the garage and was doing some laundry, and he told me that I needed to go check on my plants because they had something fuzzy on them. And my first instinct was, oh no, is there mold growing like at the root base, or what's going on? So I came in, I looked at my plants, and I couldn't figure out what he was talking about. So I asked him, I said, well, could you point it out? And he pointed it out, and he said, look. See, he said it's fuzzy. Well, my husband didn't realize that tomato plants, because he has nothing to do with gardening whatsoever, tomato plants are fuzzy. They have these little tiny spikes, if you can see. But he thought that that was mold or something wrong. So that was just a little funny story. But anyway, so if you are new to gardening, yes, tomato plants do have tiny little spikes. They won't hurt you. Larger plants at the base can get more like thorns, certain varieties, but no, it's supposed to be like that. So don't worry about it. Anyway, you guys have a great day.